Okay, show me.
Cheese.
Jump. Oh, you did it. Go show that camera how you jump. Okay, whoa. One, two, three, a five, go. Okay, wait, stop, 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 jump.
Hey, I'm done with camera.
You're all done with the camera?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
Can the camera see your knee?
Yeah.
Come out here and show the camera your knee. Come sit on the sidewalk right here.
That one.
Oh, that one? What happened?
I got your knee.
How did you hurt it? Oh, you fell down right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why is football wet?
What?
Why is that football wet?
Why is the football wet, Tyler?
It rained a bit.
It rained a little bit, that's right.
On the football.
On the football? No, it rained on the grass. And when the football went in the grass, the football got wet. Are you happy to be home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.